How's it going, guys? So right now I came to my parents' house for the weekend, and I am printing another one of the battery holders that I'm trying to sell on eBay. So I actually just reassembled my entire printer. Well, not the entire thing, but the Y carriage. So basically, right here I have some little spacers to tension the belt for the Y-axis right here. And then I also just got this metal plate for the carriage, which is super nice because it's really sturdy. I just got it on Amazon, and it's making it a whole lot easier to tighten these nuts here, the wing nuts, to make the plate level to print on. So that's what's going on right now. Sorry I didn't actually show how I was doing that while I was working on that, but I actually swapped out, I don't know if you can see it very well right now. Let's see, here I got a light. There we go. So I have the bushings actually in the middle of the stock black, I guess, bushings that came with it. Let's see if I can explain it a little bit better, if I can find the right stuff. Over here I've got some leftover ones. So this is the outer bushing that's what I'm going to call it, the outer and the inner bushing. So this was, this goes on the bar and kind of slides along there. And here's the inner bushing right here, which just goes inside of this. So I'm using the outer bushings from that originally came with the printer. You can see right there. And then I have the inner bushing going between two of those outer ones. Hopefully that kind of makes a little bit of sense. But I just find that when it's a little bit longer, it helps it to be a bit more straight and it slides more easily. So that's how I'm doing that. Yeah, sorry I haven't been doing too much detail in the videos lately, but I'm going to be working on building my homemade printer again on Monday, maybe a little bit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.